A PDX file is a Paradox database table index, the primary key structure that keeps your Paradox database organized and searchable. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, repair, or migrate these legacy database files. Before we get technical, the simplest step is often overlooked: installing a general file opening utility. This often works when the specific PDX application fails. More details to follow. PDX files are primary index files for Paradox database tables, containing sorted key data that enables fast record lookups and enforces primary key uniqueness. They are essential companion files to Paradox DB table files and must remain synchronized for database integrity. Paradox PDX files use a binary B-tree index structure storing sorted primary key values with pointers to corresponding records in the associated DB table file. They are automatically maintained by the Paradox database engine during record insert, update, and delete operations. The PDX file is widely endorsed for use with Coral Paradox developed by Coral Corporation. Windows cannot validate changes to the file structure, demanding dedicated software for integrity. Windows does not render database fields or values, so compatible DB utilities must be used. Let's make the file accessible. Right-click your PDX file and choose Open With. Start your test with Coral Paradox if available. If not, select another listed program and continue trying. If your PDX file will not open, do not worry. We need to act fast after that failed attempt. Let's transition immediately into these 3 crucial steps for error isolation. First, opening database tables. Install Paradox or use Coral WordPerfect Office, which includes Paradox. Open the DB table file, and Paradox will automatically use the companion PDX index file. Alternatively, use LibreOffice Base with a Paradox driver to access the database tables with index support. Next, repairing corrupt indexes. If the PDX index file becomes corrupted, open the database table in Paradox, and use the table repair utility to rebuild the primary index. In Paradox, navigate to Tools, then Utilities, then Restructure Table to regenerate the PDX file from the DB table data. Finally, migrating to modern databases. Use Paradox or a database migration tool to export Paradox DB tables to CSV or SQL format. Import the exported data into MySQL, PostgreSQL, or SQLite. Recreate primary key constraints in the new database to replace the PDX index file functionality in the modern environment. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.